Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel Study with SM. Today I discuss about figure of speech. गत वीडियो पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 रे आमे फिगर ऑफ स्पीच बारे डिस्कशन करथिला। एबे 17 नंबर फिगर ऑफ स्पीच डिस्कशन करिबा। 17 नंबर रे अछि एलुजन। एलुजन इज ए फिगर ऑफ स्पीच that refer to a well known person, place, event, story or object to make a comparison in the reader's mind. For example, to my dog, our neighborhood park is the Garden of Eden. She had the feelings a golden ticket. Number 80 रे अछि aphorism. An aphorism is a short, concise figure of speech that expresses a universal truth or principle. For example, actions speak louder than words. If you judge a fish by its ability to climb trees, it will spend its whole life thinking it's stupid. Number 90 रे अछि bathos. Bathos is a figure of speech that describes a sudden shift from a serious or important subject to a trivial or ridiculous one. For example, he ran up the stair, thunder rolling around the house. Number 20 रे अछि caning. Caning is a figure of speech that uses a compound word or phrase to describe a person or object in terms of something else. It is used in Old English, Anglo-Saxon poetry. Caning is used in Anglo-Saxon poetry in Old English. For example, whale path or swan road for sea, gold's win for sun, ring giver for king, son of the house for fair. 21 रे अछि metonymy. Metonymy is a figure of speech that uses a word or phrase to represent a closely related word or phrase. For example, the crown used to describe the British monarchy. The White House used to describe the presidential administration. Number 22 रे अछि oxymoron. Oxymoron means oxymoron is a figure of speech that combines two contradictory words or idea to create a new meaning. For example, a little big, pretty ugly, ill health, small crowd. 24 रे अछि parody. Parody is a form of comedy. Parody is a form of comedy that mocks a specific word by imitating it, such as by wind some language and phrasing well known as poem, but changing the subject. For example, your little sister put on your father big shoes and storm around in them, saying, I need to make a business call. 23 अछि pun. Pun is a figure of speech that plays with words have multiple meaning, or that plays with words that sound similar but means different things. A joke about words that sounds like but they have different meaning. For example, grammar lover have lot of common sense. A pessimistic blood type is always be negative A bicycle cannot stand its own because to tear. Last is satire. Last one is satire. Satire means the uses of comedy. Satire, the comedy the uses of satire. Sarcasm, irony, or exaggeration to expose flaws or vials. Thank you for watching this video.